Right, this is the situation.
Okay,
Another person pulled this thing out of the track. We got to get it back in. So I'm going to pull it on an angle like this. I'm going to get it set in there like that. You see that? And then all I got to do is smush it up into that right there, that track. So I'm going to pull it from here and then it should pop right in. Okay, here, hold this. Point it right at that thing there. Okay, you got it? So first I got to get it even. Okay. And now I'm going to just pull up.
oh,
Ba-doo!
snap, okay.
Did I scares you? Now look, see, it goes like that, and it hooks right onto these.
It's kind of got a little drag to it that usually doesn't have.
Well, you can put some silicone in
that
there
what it
if you want, yeah. But it should be okay. And that's it. So what you do is you pull it off of here, and you see there's a magnet there. There's a door handle there, and there's a magnet there. And it just slides into this thing here. You follow me? So when I pull it, it comes out, it snaps, and then it goes back. But look, it's kind of coming out of, there we go. Now we're back in the track. Oh, it pops every time. That's not good. Oh, that's the wind blowing it out of there. The wind is so strong, it's blowing it out of its track. All right, so we fixed it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.